Hello children, it's Easter time. Ciao ragazzi, è arrivata Pasqua, quindi vediamo un po' di parlare proprio di questo argomento oggi e andiamo a scoprire Easter traditions and symbols in Great Britain, quindi le tradizioni, i simboli di Pasqua in Gran Bretagna. Easter is a very important festival in Great Britain. Easter Day is always on a Sunday and it is in spring. The wish, l'augurio, for this day is Happy Easter, Buona Pasqua. There are many funny symbols and interesting traditions on this day. Easter Bunny. The symbol of Easter is an Easter bunny, a happy rabbit with a basket, cestino, of chocolate eggs, uova di cioccolata. He brings, porta, these eggs to children on Easter Sunday. Easter egg hunt. On Easter Sunday morning, kids go out and look for the eggs. Look for, cercano. It's a very exciting egg hunt. Caccia all'uovo. Chocolate. For these reasons, chocolate bunnies are very popular in Great Britain, but chocolate eggs too. Chocolate bunnies, coniglietti di cioccolato, chocolate eggs, uova di cioccolato. Easter basket. Kids or children take a basket, portano un cestino, to collect, per raccogliere, to collect their eggs during the Easter egg hunt. Egg painting, painting, dipingere. English children like coloring and decorating eggs for Easter. Eggs are very important because they mean spring and new life. They mean rappresentano spring, primavera, and new life, nuova vita. Easter egg tree. Kids and parents make a very nice decoration. Creano una decorazione molto carina. They put branches, rametti, in a vase, in un vaso, and hang eggs on them, e appendono le uova su questi rametti. Ed ecco che abbiamo l'Easter egg tree. Easter bonnet. At Easter people sono abituati to wear special hats, ad indossare cappelli speciali. They are called bonnets. Sono chiamati bonnets. The bonnets are always new. In some British primary schools, they organize an Easter bonnet parade, una sfilata, una parata di cappelli di Pasqua, where the best bonnet wins a prize. Maundy Thursday. In Britain, the Thursday before Easter Sunday, il giovedì santo, Maundy Thursday, the Queen goes to Westminster Abbey and she gives money, dà i soldi, to some poor people. Good Friday, venerdì santo. and hot cross buns. On this day, people eat hot cross buns. Li potete vedere qui in foto, sono questi, diciamo, paninetti morbidi con una croce sopra. Infatti dice, these are small loaves, piccoli paninetti, of sweet bread, di pane dolce, with fruit and species, con spezie e frutta candita, and they have a cross on top, a cross, la croce. They are best hot, sono al loro meglio mangiati con il burro e caldi, with butter. Easter egg rolling. Potremmo tradurlo come rotolamento delle uova di Pasqua, non c'è una vera e propria traduzione. Adesso andiamo a vedere che cos'è. Another Easter tradition is egg rolling, quindi far rotolare le uova. People decorate eggs with different colors and they take the eggs on the top of a hill. Portano le uova sulla cima di una collina. And the eggs roll down. E le uova rotolano giù. The first egg to get to the foot of the hill, il primo uovo che arriva alla fine della collina, is the winner. The end. Bene ragazzi, questo è quello che insomma volevo raccontarvi sulla Pasqua in Gran Bretagna. And I wish you happy Easter everybody!